Hey guys, welcome back to Gavin's Garage. Okay, a lot of you guys have been asking me, what surge protector do I use on my backup system? Generator and RV and home backup. Okay, guys, I'm going to show you the surge protector that I use. These are my surge protectors, and I have several different options. My 30, 50 amp, and the two that does all the different protection. I'm going to go through the protection. This one actually have a wireless monitor that goes on the inside of the house or your RV. I'm going to go through them and show you the ones I use, and I hope it helps you out to try to figure out which one. You don't have to go with this brand. I'm not sponsored by any brand. I'm just showing you what I use, and that's for all my videos, okay? Sit back, enjoy the video, learn something, have fun. So I'm going to be using the Yamaha 2200 to give us some power so we can demo some of these surge protectors, okay? In this size. This tool right here monitors everything. Open neutrals, reverse polarity, high surge, low power, high power, low voltage, high voltage. So in order to do all that, one thing it has to check is the open neutral. You have to use a bonding plug. These are my two bonding plugs. This one I made, this one you can buy pre-made. Okay, guys? So you have to use a bonding plug when you're using the bigger ones. On the smaller ones, you do not have to have it bonded. It will still work. Okay, guys, let's start with the first one. This guy right here plugs into 15 amps, and it gives you 15 amps to use. If you go higher than 15 amp, it will trip the circuit, and you just reset it right here, and it will trip right here, okay? Let's just demonstrate it real quick. Okay. Using this right here, plug it into your 15 amp plug. I got a light power right here. So, reset, your light will come on. Okay? When you go over amp, it will trip, the light will go off. This saves you from having to restart your generator if you're using 15 amp. Plus, it's nice to have surge protector. Okay, that's this one. Same thing with these two. The only difference between these two is 15 amp on the back, 30 amp RV. This one has 15 amp and 50 amp. You cannot pull more than 50 amp. It will shut off once it passes 15. It will trip. Okay, so that's the 3 cheap option. I should say inexpensive option. Okay, I'll put all these in the description, including the bonding plug. Okay guys, so I'm gonna plug in the adapter to the 30 amp. That way I can get 50 amp out here. The next one we have, these two comes in a set. You can buy it separately, but they come in, this two comes, I bought them in a kit. You have your wire tester, the pedestal tester. Plug it in. Well, it got 50 amp. Let's get 30 amp here. So once you plug this in, you see that? Open circuit, ground. Because this generator has a floating neutral. Keep your eye on the red. Once I put in the bonding plug, watch what happens. It goes to correct. Now it lets the power out. Love these things. So that's your RV ready, easy surge protector, Progressive Industries. This will protect you from high voltage. It goes up to 138 volt, it shuts off. Okay, so that's your 30 amps. Guys, you get the same thing. Pedestal tester, power tester surge protector for 50 amp. So if you have a 50 amp, that's the one you need. The same test. Okay, let's move on to the big one. Let's get these out of the way. Okay guys, so we're going to be looking at this one. This is the 34850. I recommend this when you get your backup power for your home or 50 amp RVs. This is the box right here. Let's go through some of the settings. Built-in intelligence, it shuts off the power when the following presents: open ground, high neutral current, open neutral, low voltage 102 volt, and high voltage 132. It is thermal protection, so when it gets hot, it shuts off as well. It has a 128-second delay. I really like this feature because when you're using it, if it shuts off, you turn off your generator for some reason, or you lose power for some reason, it gives you that 128 seconds. Your AC gets to equalize, and it's ready for that power to come back instead of just trying to restart your AC. Okay? Surge failure, voltage draw, reverse polarity, everything is protected on this one. Automatically resets on power restoration. Like it. This one right here with the 128-second delay, 240 volts. Okay guys, the next one I want to show you, this is the update from this one. So this is your upgraded model for this guy. This is the 34951. Same thing, but this one has a 10-second delay. And it's 50 amp as well, 50 amp plug. It does handle 120 volts, 240 volts at 50 amp. Surge suppression is 4,200 now. And max spike, 6,500 amps. Real good. The best thing about this one, it has a wireless display you can put inside your home or your RV. Just push this, it comes on, connects automatically to the surge protector. You can see your volts, frequency, amps, kilowatts, everything from the inside of your RV or your inside of your home. Really like this one. Wireless and limited lifetime warranty. Okay guys, got the generator hooked on. I got the adapter on the generator. Let's plug in the first one. 50 amp. Once you plug it in guys, it automatically does a check. It goes into delay. It will count that down until 128 seconds before it introduces your power. You can actually hear that relay clicking when it hits 128 seconds. And this really protects your AC unit, so it pays. There you go. Hope you heard that click. Then it gives you RV on, leg 1, leg 2, and the amp, and tells you what size pulling the amperage. So we're only pulling power on one leg with this light bulb. Okay, let's go ahead and hook this one up and give it a try. Okay guys, I'm gonna hook up the 34951. One thing I want you to notice right off the bat, it only has a 10-second delay, okay? So we're gonna plug this in. Once you plug it in, it does its thing and it starts counting down, 10 seconds. And right when 10 seconds is up, power's on. The good thing about this one, I told you, that wireless monitor inside the house or inside the RV. You just push the first button and right away it will connect. There you go. Connected. It's giving you the 124 volt. It shows you everything right here. Goes off after it stays for a little bit. It comes back on and it's already connected. Okay guys, that's it. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys the surge protector that I use. If this helps you, please give me a thumbs up. please give me a subscribe. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate you guys watching. And for those of you all that hit that subscribe button, I really thank you guys for pushing that subscribe button. Guys, thank you and have a blessed day. Bye.